Hi, I'm Joy.
Hello, and I'm Andrew.
And we're Mr Wue Travels.
And today we're driving down to Poole, ready to catch the ferry to Cherbourg tomorrow. Please pop along with us and see how we get on. First time abroad in the Sven. So our French adventure has finally begun. In this episode, we're setting off on our journey to France, with a few unexpected moments along the way. We'll spend the night in Poole before getting up early to board the Brittany Ferries Barfleur, crossing from Poole to Cherbourg.
We'll take you on board with us, show you around the ferry, and then follow us as we arrive in France and take you to the French roads for the very first time in Mr Wue. Our first stop is Camping de Jonville in Reville, Normandy, and this is just the beginning of our French road trip.
So sit back, enjoy the journey, and keep watching because there are lots more French adventures coming up.
Well, Andrew, we've had an eventful morning, haven't we?
We've had a very eventful morning in the van. We're just south of Oxford. We have had the tyre pressure monitor on, so we've sorted all that out on the journey. We've also hit a pigeon and it's knocked off one of the covers on the front of the van, so we've got that to sort out. But we're having a coffee and a biscuit and we're on the way.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Poole Port.
50 yards at the roundabout, turn right onto New Harbour Road West.
Right.
Yep.
In 200 yards, your destination will be on the left.
Yeah, keep going.
Passenger vehicle departures.
Yeah, here, look. Brittany Ferries. Here, keep left. Right, all for you.
Your destination is on the left.
This lady will tell us where we need to go.
Good morning.
Is it Cherbourg you're up to?
We
Yes,
are, yes.
yes.
Any special requirements with regards to lift access needed?
No, we're okay, thank you.
Lights with you at all?
No.
If you want to go lane number 17 for me.
17, yeah.
Checked in. Numbers are just on the bottom.
Ah, 17, thank you.
Thank
you very
you.
much.
Have a lovely day.
Thank
You
you.
too.
17.
Yeah. 15, 16, 17. Could be behind that Simpson thing, is it? Yeah. No.
17.
Oh, we're right up at the front.
Front.
Do we go straight through or do we wait?
No, we have to wait.
We have reached the final week of 10 weeks of tickets. Yes, of course, it's week 13. And we see it as a very pops up when you give a chance to see cars to buy in Manchester.
Morning.
Morning.
3 metres.
2.72 it says.
No, it's good enough for me, mate.
Yeah,
You've
2.72.
got plenty of room there. You've got 4 metres.
Oh, brilliant.
Évitez le déchargement de votre batterie. Señoras y señores, rogamos que los pasajeros con vehículo apaguen su sistema de alarma y pongan el freno de mano durante la travesía.
I think
Gracias
our
por su
lounge is
colaboración.
deck 7.
This is 5, I'm
Club
guessing.
lounge. Yeah. And we were on
D3.
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 And again. Oh, thank you.
Oh, yes.
That's you.
Yeah.
I'm going to do yours as well.
Yeah.
Put yours in so that we know. You know, they know you're in.
Mm-hmm. Ah. That's one, isn't it?
Is there a seat number?
737.
Oh, there, they've got them on the arms.
Hi everyone, we're on the ferry, we're on the Barfleur, we've made it, and we're really looking forward to 3 weeks in France.
Absolutely gorgeous day today. Lovely blue sky. Superb.
And we're just having their full English breakfast, which is €9.
Bonjour. You need to look this way. Just checking your face. Oh, watch where they go. Yeah. Merci.
Yeah, okay,
Au revoir.
Keep left to stay on KME Roll Nisbet.
We don't stop.
No, because we've got a bit to declare.
No?
No.
Where do we go now?
Round here.
Oh dear, don't we?
Way out. It says way out.
Continue for half a mile.
Drive to the white mark.
Yeah?
Keep going round here.
Oh, isn't it?
Yeah. Keep going round.
Well,
Yeah. Yeah. You can hog it all as well.
Try?
You can hog the whole thing.
Yeah, I'm going to do.
Exit the roundabout onto
Here we are.
Bois-Portuais.
Yep.
Exit the car park towards Bois-Portuais.
Travelling across to France means we couldn't take some foods like meat and dairy. We had to call off and navigate a French supermarket and stock up before we arrived in Reville. Pinjonville. This is us.
Left here.
Yep.
Your destination is on the left.
Don't know you're going there, I would presume.
I think so.
Presume that's it. We'll have to just wait here.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to ensure you're notified of our next video in this series.